Right, let's go. Sel?
Yeah. In good hands, yeah? See ya.
Put it inside my helmet.
Shannon, watch it.
Stressful, right? Hey!
You should have seen it. So much money I could smell it before I lifted them.
Come on, we're moving! Now, come on!
Parked in a blue Falcon station wagon, west side of Boundary Road, diagonally across from the meat pad. Leon, I'm on Nelson Place. You're going to have to direct me to Cronin.
West side of Nelson, heading north. Looks like he's on foot.
Got him, Leon.